You guys, I can. Oh shoot! Wait. Just okay. Oh shoot! Okay. You guys, Haika is here. So this is episode 1 of Haika Otaku Gaming Channel. Yup. So I play horror games and Minecraft, Gmod, and Counter Strike. This is not gameplay. So this is not a gameplay here. Yeah, probably. So this is my first episode. I mean, first video. So I hope you guys love my videos. I hope. Let's take some pictures. Yep, I have game mode. So I hope you guys love it, my channel. So yeah, be cool. Always be cool because I don't know where I get the be cool. So always be cool, okay?